Hi, it's me, Lucas's Dungeon. Today we're making this, but I'm gonna call it a bouncy ball box. So I'm just gonna open it, and I am going to oh my gosh, I forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Okay, I got this. I could make bouncy balls, but they could also be hexagons, like this. Alright, let's see the instructions. Gently pick up your mold. What? Oh, my mold. Gently. Bite a rounded top and place it inside a cup of warm water until the mold is submerged. Warm. I'll drink this. Thanks. Okay. Is it warm? Yeah, that's warm. Is it too cold? Is it too warm?
No, it's fine.
It says warm. Okay.
Pick up your mold with the rounded top.
And both of them? Okay. Let's go.
So repeat after me. There's three.
There's three. What?
There's three shapes.
Shapes.
What other shapes?
Hexagon, circle, and another hexagon. Or octagon. I'm gonna call that one an octagon.
What color do you want to start with?
Okay, let's start with, how about this one and this one? Let's do this. Okay?
You want that shape?
Yeah, this one, right here. This one.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Don't put too much. Okay, done with that. And now blue. Do we have tape here?
Yeah.
Nice, so then we could patch it up, right?
You're gonna save them?
Yeah, I'm gonna save them. I'm rubbing my eye because I touched my bare eyeball.
Just those three colors?
Yeah. Done. Okay. That's it. Is that good enough?
Yeah. Okay, so this one's good to go.
All of them are good to go, right?
Magic ball. So you put them in the water like this, right? Fully submerged.
I think.
Oh look, now that it has the crystals, it doesn't need this.
It doesn't?
No, because it's heavy now.
Are the crystals still in there?
Yeah.
What? How? Oh, because it's too heavy to get out?
Yeah. Okay. Now.
I'll do this one. Okay. I'll do this one green. Okay.
Can I do this one? I'm gonna give this to Abuela.
Huh? You're gonna give that one to where?
To Tata.
Okay.
Have you seen the purple one?
The purple one?
Yeah.
The one we just did? Do you think this one's done? For the green?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. Now, how do you open the packets?
Good for you.
Yeah. You guys have scissors? Or how did you open yours?
Oh, you really want to do orange?
Yeah. Orange and yellow. I decided I'm gonna do green, orange, and yellow.
Green, orange, and yellow on that one? Okay. I'll just been using them all.
Huh? Here you go. That's it?
I'm gonna make the hole a little bigger. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
And the rest is gonna be orange. Shake it a little so that all of it settles down to the bottom. Good job. Okay. And the rest is gonna be orange.
Yeah. Stop.
Shake it. Shake it like a salt. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Okay, that's good.
Now it's gonna go on this.
Yep. Do we just put it in there?
Yeah.
I feel scared it's gonna fall.
Nice. Now we've really gotta wait 10 minutes.
Wait, you did the other one?
Yeah.
This one is orange, yellow, and green. This one is green, blue, green, and purple. And this one is a mystery because I don't know what my dad put in there.
Okay, so we'll see you in 10 minutes.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Look at This Dungeon. We're gonna see if it's done yet. Okay, I'm gonna test out the lamest one first.
Lamest?
I think the circle is the lamest. Okay, this one. I wonder if the water is still safe to drink. But I don't want to test that.
Alright, we're gonna wait 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes. See you in another 10 more minutes.
Whoa.
Wait, did it work?
Yeah, even if this one's not perfect, that is. I'm gonna give that to Abuela. Okay, so this isn't good.
But maybe they're just not ready.
This one looks ready.
Really?
I think we just have to dry it off.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's see this one. This is the hardest one because you gotta take these clamps off. Was this the only one? Oh. But this is cool because you can reuse it.
Yeah.
So you can make a business out of bouncy balls.
Uh-huh.
How many would you make? Like, how much would you sell the bouncy ball for?
Like 30?
And then you could even put like dye, like color, like food dye.
Yeah.
$30 a ball?
No, like 30 cents.
Oh no, I think it should at least be $1.
Okay, $1.
Maybe if we put it in hot water, it'll get hard.
I think we just need to wait a bit more.
Okay. That's not bad. I really like mine.
I like-
Whoa. Nice.
Let me try mine. Oh, mine still bounces. What about this one?
Nice.
You know, it's a project medium. But I think we just gotta wait a bit longer.
Okay, so what do you give the experiment?
I would give it a 5.6. It was pretty good, other than them being slimy, wet, and honestly not finished. But I'm pretty sure if I just wait a little bit longer, they'll be done. Here, wait, can I get the box? Okay. I'm gonna let the comments decide if this looks like this. Does it look like that? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lucas's Dungeon. Don't forget to share or comment too. Bye. Okay, press the button.